Hello people of YouTube, welcome to a Davinci Resolve editing video. And today, as you can probably tell by the title where you search up into the YouTube search bar, we're going to be learning how to take away the green screen of an image. This doesn't matter what color the background of the image is, as long as it's not the same as what's in the image. As you can see, these two are not the same colors. Probably. Anyways, I do need to get rid of this because this was from a past video, so let me just do that real quick. Okay, now that that's gone, I would like to make something very clear. This is not going to involve fusion or the color tabs at all. So far, this is the easiest, fastest way I know of doing it through only the editing tab. However, you can start with a cut tab, which is what we're going to start with. So to start out, over here where you see your media pool and the little bar above it to select your things, we're going to go to Effects, and you can go to Open Effects and look for it, but we're just going to search in the search bar at the top right, 3D keyer. I already have it favorited, which you should too. That way you can put it over here with your favorite type of effects. I got all mine. And then you just drag the 3D keyer and put it on the image. Now, this is where the editing part comes in. Click your image, select it, go to the editing tab, make sure you have your image selected, and then click the effects tab, which it should now be open. And this is a very important part. Do not step out on this part or else it won't work. Over here where your transform node is, turn that on and click the drop down arrow and go to Open FX Overlay. This is the most important part, because if you don't do that, nothing works. And then you just click this and then click this. And there's a little piece down here which we can just go and get rid of. We just drag it over any color. And the green background's gone, however you still see a lot of it around the hand. Well, there's this little tool right here called Dispel, and all you gotta do is drag that up, and you can see how all the green from his hand is now gone. So now, if I want, I can use this hand anywhere I want, and we can simply just go back to our editing, and we can move it around. You can make it do like a little zoom up and point at this cobweb here for some odd reason, I guess. And the green screen doesn't come back, it will stay gone, and the hand will stay for however you want it. Now, that's great and all, but let's say the green background color isn't green. Then what? Well, if the green background color is not green, if the background color is not green, you do the exact same thing. It's no different. Here, I'll show you. Okay, now for example, the background color is this beigeish, whitish color. I don't know what the photo is either, okay? Anyways, all we have to do... Oh, by the way, if you do want to do it only in the editing tab, you can do it right here, because in this effects bar over here, which you can turn on by clicking the top right part over here, you can just search up 3D keyer, and, you know, it pop up. So you can do it there too as well. Then you open up the FX overlay, and you simply invert. Make sure it's inverted. Also, you can probably want to make sure you do this. That way you can copy the color. And then just get that. And that's basically all gone. You have these little outlines on the side there, you can see, which is a problem. However, there is an odd fix to this. It may not be the best fix. You can just drag this over again. I think I've messed it up. Hold on, let me just reset. But you can just drag over that, however, that's part of his eyes. So, the odd fix that I was talking about after we dispel it from his hair, no, okay, I guess not. But anyways, the odd fix in video, if you zoom it, you see how the lines are gone now? I don't know why that works, but for some reason that works. So if you have these lines on the side that you can't get rid of, specifically how you do the checkered pattern background thing that's supposed to be transparent, however you get those images that aren't transparent, you can do this and that will get rid of that background, but it will leave lines. You just make the photo a different size and the lines go away. Now if you make it back to the size it was, they do come back at a certain range. But smaller, bigger, you can make the lines kind of disappear. I think you have to be bigger than the original image, but it is possible to make the lines disappear that way. That's the only way I know to fix the line problem. And That's also the only way I know how to end the video, because we have learned how to get rid of the green screen and even a widescreen background with some leftover lines. What more could you ask for? $1 billion? I could also ask for that, but I'm not going to get it. But also I could ask for you to like the video and subscribe. And I still probably won't get that either. But hey, that's fine by me. All I want to say is thanks for watching, and goodbye.